What's going on, guys? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to restart your Windows File Explorer. So sometimes the File Explorer has a thing where it will crash, and sometimes it can do things like get rid of your taskbar and your apps and icons. It's all sort of linked into the same thing. So to do this without restarting your computer, stay tuned to find out how. If you do find this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. I really do appreciate it. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, we actually need to open up the Task Manager. So to open the Task Manager, it depends on what's happening with your PC. If you've still got the taskbar, then you can literally come down and right-click. And you'll see you've got the Task Manager option there. You can also come down to the search box down here and type Task Manager to bring it up. But if File Explorer's crashed out and it's got rid of your taskbar and your apps and icons and things like that, and you've just got a picture of the desktop background, what you can also do is hold down Control, Alt and press Delete. And that's going to take you to it's going to bring up basically like a small menu. And it's going to give you some options to log out, sign out, etc. And you'll see you can actually open the Task Manager from there. So once we've opened up the Task Manager, I'm going to do it from the taskbar down here. What we want to do, we want to make sure we're on this tab at the top which says Processes. And it should be appearing under Apps. So you can see there's a number of different things here that you don't really need to worry about too much. Well, the one we want to be looking for is Windows Explorer. So it should be under apps. If it's not, if you just go down, normally it's either under there or it will be under this one here, Windows Processes. And once you've found Windows Explorer, all you need to do is literally click onto it, and then you want to right click, and then you'll see an option which says Restart. So you just want to go ahead and give that a click. And you'll see that has reloaded my Windows. It just takes a minute to load everything back through, but yeah, once that's done, you'll see everything's been reloaded, and that's how you do it without switching off your computer. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.